I'm Frank from Control Dynamics, and what we're going to do is talk about the conversion that we're doing for our Instron tension compression machine, model 1182. And so what we're going to be doing with this device here is the base for conversion on the Instron from vertical to torsion or rotary motion. And if you want, you could follow the build. And we'll be able to, with this device, we'll be able to register very high precision torsion up to 10,000 foot-pounds. If you go to our YouTube station, you can follow us, and we'll have some fun with this. Thanks.